Hey, it's Dr. Hannah with this week's Hot Topic. Today I want to talk to you about purses. So sorry guys, this video really isn't for you unless you want to tell your spouse that her purse is too big. That's all on you, so good luck. But I'm here to tell you that the size of your purse really does matter when it comes to your health. So whether your purse looks like this or it's this size, and yes, both of these are my purses. I know sometimes I have a problem with too big of a purse. I'm working on getting a smaller purse, but I find that I need everything in that purse. However, purse sizes can have a huge impact on your health. I'll give you a couple reasons of how it affects it, and it's up to you if you want to change it or if you want to modify things, take certain things out of your purse. Otherwise, you can just deal with some of these symptoms, and guess what? I'm a chiropractor, I can fix it. So first thing first that a large purse in particular does is it puts a lot of strain and stress on your body just in general. So for example, this purse, if I put it on my shoulder, and there's nothing in this purse, but if it's super heavy, it's gonna cause me to go like this. Now, naturally, I'm not gonna walk around like this, so my body will kind of compensate and walk this way. So you can kind of see how I'm a little like super crooked. Well, what that does is it puts a lot of strain and stress on not just your shoulder, but your lower back, your other muscles. So it causes a lot of tension and tightness everywhere else. And so when you have that extra strain and stress, it throws off your gait as well. So not just high heels or your shoes or whatever you're wearing, but it's going to cause you to kind of walk a little bit frumpy. So do this little experiment. Just watch women, if you're at the grocery store, walking at the mall or anywhere, who have large purses, and watch them walk. It's kind of interesting how their body kind of sways and shifts, and why most of the time if we have a large purse, we get super uncomfortable as we're standing. We're like, oh man, I have to change it, do whatever. You know what I'm talking about, ladies, if you have a large purse. So that's something that it's doing. So it's causing extra strain and stress on your low back, which can affect your gait. And most importantly, what I see is very common for women who have very heavy purses and large purses is they get a lot of headaches. So headaches are more common in women who have large purses because it's putting extra strain and stress on their shoulder and up in their neck. And when all those muscles are super tight, it's going to cause headaches more typically over one eye and one side of the face. So those are typically due to really tight muscles, the back of the head. So occipital headaches, migraines, those type of things are typically because of large purses. So that is all I have for you this week. Hopefully, if you have a large purse, this might kind of give you some little bit of help and insights of why you're having some of these low back issues, headaches, things like that. So change your purse. If you don't want to change your purse, come get adjusted because I can fix all those things. But that is all I have for you guys this week. We'll see you guys next time.